Class 8. Good morning, everybody. Today, our subject is GK, I mean General Knowledge. Today, our chapter 7, Creepy Crawlies. So, insects are everywhere. Insects are everywhere. Given below are some of the weirdest insects found in the wild. Can you identify them? Okay. Number one. Number one. Look at the question. Number one. It is one of the largest insects on Earth. Native to Africa, moles of this species can grow to over 4 inches and can weigh as much as 100 grams in their larval stage. So, answer Golith beetle. Answer Golith beetle. Number two, they are part of the tree hopper family and have a cool looking, brightly colored thorn sticking out of their heads. So, answer thornbug. Answer thornbug. Number three, these insects are often farmed for their silk and also known as cobra moths. They have a wingspan almost as long as a ruler with wing stripes that look like a snake's. Answer Atlas moth. Atlas moth. Number 4. It is a strange looking insect that is found in gardens and along woodlands edge. It scavenge on dead insects. It has a long beak-like projection from its head that is used to feed. Answer scorpion fly. Answer scorpion fly. Number 5. It looks like a big cricket but too heavy to fly. The largest ever of its kind of weight about 70 grams, about as heavy as a tennis ball. Answer giant wheater. Giant wheater. Number 6, yeah, last question. When they sense danger, these woody looking insects give off a scent that smells like water of humans. Answer Australian walking stick. Australian walking sticks. Okay. Our next chapter, chapter 8, and chapter name Animal Disease. Chapter name Animal Disease. Find out how will you know about some common animal diseases. Okay. Look at the question number 1. Dash is caused by orthopox virus. Orthopox virus means a virus of the genus. It caused disease in monkeys, but its reservoir hosts probably are squirrels and other rodents. It can transmit it to humans. So, answer monkeypox. Answer monkeypox. Number 2. Dash is a highly contagious viral disease affecting the respiratory, digestive of nervous system of many species of birds. It is a disease of birds all through people and other mammals and becomes infected. Answer bird flu. Answer bird flu. Number 3. DAS is a usually fatal virus disease of the nervous system. The disease is most commonly transmitted by the bite of an infected animals. Although other routes include contamination of open wounds and scratch with infected saliva. Answer rabies. Answer rabies. Number four, Dash is a fatal brain disease of sheep and goats, but is not known to pose a risk of human health. The agent causing the infection is thought to be a infection protein called prion. Answer Scarapi. Answer Scarapi. Number 5. Das is a contagious respiratory disease of pigs that occurs wildlife and is caused by infection with influenza A virus. So answer swine influenza. Answer swine influenza. Number 6. Das is an internal parasite that infects the liver and cause disease is grazing. Animals such as cattle, llamas and other exotic farm species. Answer liver plaque. Answer liver plaque. Okay, thanks.